JSON parsing is quite like HTML file parsing, programming language parsing, text file parsing, CSV file parsing. The correct answer is programming language parsing. JSON does not allow data type, string, number, binary, boolean. The correct answer is binary. JSON is often preferred over XML because it supports arrays, it provides efficient data interchange, it is quicker to read and write, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A JavaScript function can directly parse JSON. True, false. The correct answer is true.